Triton Music have a brand new artist and we're here to find out what is so intense about Tia. Before we even start the Tia, we want to find out from Triton himself. Triton, 3 words to describe Tia.
Focus, humble, talented.
I will also add, I'm very creative, just an artist all around. I can draw, I can sing,
Nice.
you know, so that's stuff that I just have the eye for art.
And he described you as very humble. Tell us where the humility comes from.
Life experiences, you know, my parents just growing up, just knowing to be grateful for every opportunity. You know, nothing is promised to you.
Triton Music has been around for a while with some serious hits. Remind us of some of the hits Triton Music is responsible for.
I know you want me, Movado. Still in my arms, Idonia, Take It, Trigger Work It, Idonia.
The dancehall bully rhythm pan a whole.
Yeah. Running, Movado. You know, it's a mix. So.
You'd have a big Christopher Martin too. Which one?
Big Deal.
Big Deal, yeah.
Dexter Dap 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven as well.
I love the way you love it, checking me out in public.
What it was that was so impressive for you about Tia?
Her vocal ability, that in itself just give me confidence. You know what I mean? Anyway, we really go, it's like I could just walk away, go in a room and lock up and just know that she's gonna kill it. Like, no doubt.
Anything you want, I'll do it. Just say the word, I'll prove it.
Talk to me about these vocals a little bit. You know, how long have you been singing? Where did it come from? Is it a musical background?
No musical background. Nobody in my family sings or has been in music. I did do a little thing in school where I, you know, sang in talent shows and stuff like that, but nothing serious. I've been singing like professionally, I would say, for 5 years, and I pretty much taught myself. I just, you know, YouTube and, you know, just practicing in the shower, asking my sister, Tori, do I sound good, you know?
All of my friends say you're no good for me, no good for me.
I'm originally from St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands. It's a beautiful place, very small. It fits into Jamaica like 52 times.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's...
So everybody on the island are your cousin?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, literally though, everybody knows everybody. I mean, you know somebody that knows somebody. It's like a big family, really.
How was it that you're able to discover this talent who's not even from Jamaica? How did you come across Tia?
I put out a project called True Emotions. You know, it was a big project for me, the same Movado and Changing Love that features on DJ Khaled Ungrateful album.
Yeah.
So she heard it. She went ahead, spent her money to go in the studio, record the song, get it mixed on the instrumental, and do